Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Lumen5 for AI video marketing automation step by step clearly. Visit the Lumen5 website by entering the URL in your browser. On the home page, locate the Sign Up button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate your registration process. You will be directed to a page where you can choose your preferred sign-up method. If you have a Google or Facebook account, you can select either option for quick registration. Alternatively, you can choose to sign up with your email address. To register with your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password and enter it in the provided password field. After filling in your information, click on the Get Started button to proceed. You may be asked to verify your email address at this point. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Lumen5. Open the email and click on the confirmation link enclosed within it. Once your email is verified, return to the Lumen5 website. Log in with the email and password you just created. After logging in, you will be guided through an initial setup tour. This tour will introduce you to the platform's features and interface. Once the tour is complete, you're ready to start creating your AI-powered videos. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available for video creation. Start your journey with Lumen5 by choosing a template or uploading your own content. You are now successfully registered and prepared to enhance your marketing strategy with automated video content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.